Hello students, I welcome you all in my channel, and yes, today we are going to study unit 22 conjunctions. Alright, so yes, what are conjunctions? Do you know? Let's read the following sentences given here. Astha and Sandy are siblings. They study in the same school but not in the same class. Their mom waits for them until they come back. Yesterday she was sleeping when they came home. They knocked at the door but she didn't wake up. While they were standing outside the gate, their mom was sleeping. Since they were worried, they called their neighbor. Just then, their mom opened the door and apologized for the inconvenience. You all can see that I had underlined under the and, but, until, when, but, while, since, and. Do you know what are these words? These words are known as conjunctions. Alright? So, what is conjunction? Conjunctions are the words which join words, groups of words, or sentences. For example, I had already underlined na and, or, but, because, so, since, if, though, although, until, while, when, yet, etc. Alright? So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are those words which join words, group of words, or sentences. So, what is tip of the day? Let's go through and. When do we use and? And is used to join words and sentences expressing similarly. When you have two sentences and they are giving common meaning, at that time we use their and. When do we use but? But is used to join words or sentences that show contrast, difference, or some unexpected result. Alright, at that time we use but. Whenever the sentences, the two sentences which we are going to join, they give contrast, difference meaning, or unexpected result. Alright, when do we use because, as, or since? We use these words for the reason for something or shows a choice. Although and though show opposite feelings and actions, they both work like but in our sentences. While and when are conjunction of time. So now read some more examples. The first one, you need to improve your English, so remember to practice your grammar regularly. What you have to do if you want to improve your English? You have to practice, right? So here is conjunction word. All right, the next one is if. The word is started with if is a conjunction. If you want to improve your English, the reason is given why. What you have to do then? Practice your grammar regularly. If you want to improve your English, the condition is given now. If you want to improve your English, then what you have to do? The condition is given that you have to practice your grammar regularly. So the third one, I practice grammar regularly. And now you all can see now reason is given. I want to improve my English. Why do we want to practice grammar regularly? Because I want to improve my English. The next one is I enjoy gardening as it refreshes my mind. The fifth one is gardening refreshes my mind, so I enjoy it. Samyak was unwell, yet he continued dance practice. Alright. Although Samyak was unwell, he continued dance practice. Nimesh leads a very simple life, though he was quite rich. He knows that Aarti is my childhood friend. She took rest until she was fully cured. Run fast or you will lose the race. You will lose the race if you don't run fast. So I'm moving to the next slide. Now you have to underline the conjunction. The first one is we are not allowed to do that because. So because is conjunction over here. We are not allowed to do that because it is harmful. The next one is if you break the rules, you will be punished. So here now if conjunction is given, condition here given, if you break the rules then you will be punished. And yes, don't forget to use comma. The next one, I took a cab as it was getting dark. So here as is conjunction. Would you prefer tea or coffee? So or is conjunction, tea or coffee. So or is conjunction. The teacher was having a sore throat yet, all right, yet she completed the lecture. So yet is conjunction here. She was cleaning her room while her brother was playing. While is conjunction. Since is conjunction. Since he has sprained his ankle, he is not going to play. All right, so here given reason is given, that's why we had used since. He kept playing although he had sprained his ankle. Although is again we had already discussed, it is conjunction. A lot of passengers are stranded on the roads because the cab draw on strike. All right, so here because is conjunction. I will not talk to you until you tell the truth. So here until is conjunction. Now what you have to do, you have to just go through the sentences. All right, Manu made a phone call, he asked about my health. Manu made a phone call, he asked about my health, and you have to use and over here. So Manu made a phone call and asked about my health. The next is you are honest, you are hardworking. So you is already given here, are is already given, so we will add and only with honest and hardworking. So what will be the sentence? You are honest and hardworking. The next is I took the remote, I changed the channel. I took the remote and changed the channel. They sat at the table, they started having dinner. They sat at the table and started having dinner. Ravish is a tabla player, Bhushan is a tabla player. Both the sentences are common. So what will we use? We will just use and when we are adding two noun, two proper noun, Ravish and Bhushan, then verb will be changed and it will become are, because there are more than one person. And yes, we will make changes in common noun, that is player also. So what will be the correct sentence? Ravish and Bhushans are tabla players. Now the join the sentences using but. All right, so yes, I waited for you, you didn't come. So what will we do? We just remove you and add but. I waited for you, but you didn't come or didn't come. All right. The next is he is poor but contented. All right. Because he is common in both. That's why we will add here. That's why we will add these sentences using but only. The next is she is quite rich, she is dissatisfied. Contrast meaning is given here. So what will we do? We will add these words using but. She is quite rich but dissatisfied. Mr. Anand Kumar faced many difficulties while running Super 30 program. He didn't lose heart. So yes, Mr. Anand Kumar faced many difficulties while running Super 30 program but didn't lose heart. She looked everywhere, she couldn't find her purse. She looked everywhere but couldn't find her purse. The next is you have to in the brackets, conjunction already had given, and you have to just join that words using using that conjunction. For example, he was tired, the first sentence, and the another is he had been studying since morning. So yes, here reason is giving now why he was tired, so we will add as here. He was tired as he had been studying since morning. Is it all right? And yes, don't forget to use full stop. Now I'm moving to the next slide. You will find handicrafts at Delhi Hut, and same sentences again repeated over here. So we will use only or and then this Pragati Maidan. So what will be the correct sentence? Let's see. you will find handicrafts at Delhi Haat, or you will find handicrafts at Pragati Maidan. So don't need to use na, you will find again, or you will find handicrafts at Delhi Haat or at Pragati Maidan. Write down only this. Alright? You will find handicrafts at Delhi Haat or Pragati Maidan. Alright? The next one is the third one. I ran to the bus stop. I got into the bus. I ran to the bus stop and got into the bus. The next is I ran to the bus stop. I missed the bus. So what will be the correct sentence over here? When we join these sentences, I ran to the bus stop but missed the bus. The question, sentence number 5. Would you buy red dress? Here comparison had given between red dress and blue dress. So we will use conjunction or. Would you buy red dress or blue dress? Or would you buy red dress or blue dress only? Don't need to write would you buy again. Alright, it's a typing mistake. So yes, the correct one. Would you buy red dress or blue dress? Alright. Yes, the next one is he laughed. He saw the baby making faces. So what we have to do? We have to join these sentences using when. He laughed when he saw the baby making faces. Yes, circle the correct option. Sentences already had given, and you have to go through the sentences and you have to tick which one is correct. I'll go through the market and purchase air fryer. Alright. So yes, you need to circle and in this sentence. Though he played very well. Though he played, I'm just underlining it, or you all can circle, right? Though Virat played well, his team lost the match. Alright. So that's why we will use here though. The third one is when Virat started playing, his team won the match. So in the third number we will circle when. And the fourth one is unless when you run you will miss the bus. Unless you run. Alright. Unless you run you will miss the bus. Alright. The next is if you run, condition is given. If you run, you will catch the bus. The next is you want success, work hard. If you want to, condition had given. If you want success, work hard. Drink a glass of water if you are thirsty. So correct one is if. Alright. Again condition had given. Drink a glass of water if you are thirsty. Simple. The next is we come back from the zoo. Why we come back from the zoo? As it was closed. Reason had given. That's why the correct one is as. The next is when until the chairperson concluded his speech, everybody clapping. When. Alright. So this one is the correct. When the chairperson concluded his speech, everybody clapping. Shall we go to Humayun's tomb? Again, comparison is given. Should we go here or should we go there? So yes, two options had given. That's why we will circle here. Or shall we go to Humayun's tomb or Jantar Mantar? The next one, 11. Leave early. If you want to avoid traffic rules. Again, condition had given. If you want to avoid traffic rules, you should leave early. The next is we followed the rules, so we had no problems. Alright. The next one, Swami Vivekananda said, education is the manifestation perfection already in man. So here the correct one is that Swami Vivekananda said that education is the manifestation perfection already in man. The 14 is arise, awake, stop not, the goal is reach. Okay, type arise, awake and स्टॉप नॉट अनटिल, जब तक कि आपको अपना गोल ना मिल जाए. You want to shine like the sun. First burn like डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम. अगेन कंडीशन हैड गिवन ना कि अगर आपको ऐसा बनना है तो आपको ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. So if is the correct one. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Alright. So yes बच्चों, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, then you like and comments also. And yes, what you have to do, you have to tell me how many conjunctions you had learned from this video. So just type in chat box. Thank you.